Ikebana Ohara School Landscape Arrangements by Anitha Nandkumar. The Ohara School of Ikebana International's landscape arrangements are a type of Moribana, a style of Ikebana that depicts natural landscapes in a shallow container. There are two methods for landscape arrangements: the traditional method and the realistic method. The Ohara school is known for its naturalistic style and use of seasonal materials. Ikebana, the Japanese art of flower arrangement, is known for its focus on harmony, balance, and the connection between nature and humanity. It's a meditative practice that celebrates the beauty of nature and life itself. Among the many schools of Ikebana, the Ohara school stands out for its dedication to capturing natural landscapes in its arrangements. Whether you are a novice or simply curious, this video will help you take your first steps into the serene world of Ohara Ikebana.
Anitha Nandkumar, who will give us a demo on landscaping. Yes, we don't have landscapes in any other curriculum. This is Ohara specialty.
Ikebana has made, Ohara Ikebana has made it into two. One is traditional and the other is realistic. Realistic is your perception. What you see, how the nature is, you can take it. That's how I used to. While going in a train or a car, if I find some good scenery, I had taken the picture and trying to do. You can't, the replica is very difficult. Material is one big problem. But still, at least to do to your extent, whatever possible, it is easy. I enjoy doing it. Now, this is, but whatever it is, even if it is realistic, it should be based on the Moribana Ikebana. The arrangement is done on the Moribana style. So Moribana, the Ikebana students have learned it. So we can copy that, but a realistic. Except this, rest are all realistic. And this is slope. You will find pines. This also is pine ki family hai. So junipers also are used for a mountain view, the slopes of the mountain. And this is the season is spring. And this is based on upright Moribana. Upright Moribana, everything will be looking up. And the being spring, the flowers have started coming. And from a distance, you won't see the water. Actually, now this is middle view. I have taken slanting. That was upright slanting of the Moribana. It should be orange or orange color, but I got it as yellow color. We find in India, we don't find much of orange leaves. It is mostly yellow for us. Whatever, it's a realistic, so I am breaking that rule from the traditional. And if the fruit bearing, even in the wild also you will see fruit bearing trees. And they start changing the colors. And the ground cover for autumn. Ground covering is more in summers because everywhere the plant starts coming up after the winter. No? Spring and summer you find it. But according to me, for us in lawns, if you see, summers may lawn sometimes if it is not, if the rain is not there, we find it's very difficult to see things grow.
So in the far view, you said you don't see water.
No.
In the middle view, you see a little
Water. No. Half water is allowed. Traditional farming. Traditional far view, but it is on the not on the mountain or any slopes. So that's why this is this line, slanting one, is as if on the river side or on the shore. The book explains that as seashore. The plant is growing towards the one side like a shore. This depicts like a seashore. And in this, the ground covering, actually ground covering should not exceed. Same arrangement in our curriculum, in traditional, we'll find it in winter and spring also. So spring meant we add more flowers to it. And winter flowers, little by little you will find winter flowers. I can put one or two chrysanthemums. Stream flowing, and that flowing you can see, and the river must be bringing a log of wood which has fallen before. That wood must be carried on the river bed, and you will find the water plants coming up, because near view only you can see that, and this near view depicts summer. So, in the banks you are finding different types of shrubs. Near view you notice more of shrubs, because you are moving, no? Then you see more of shrubs. If a tree is there, then I can't depict all this. And this is a log flowing down, many exhibitions.
Water basin.
Lot of water plants I have used, because this is the time when the water plants come up. During winter time they go in dormancy. Multicolored leaves, everything can be seen during the spring summers time. I hope you got a taste of it.
Don't miss the lily. Half open.
Exact color of the desert is difficult.
Zen garden भी बन रहा है उसी में.
So, a small, I wanted to have more material, but
Sunita, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. We don't need more material.
No, I think we
Euphorbia.
it is realistic, no?
realistic.
We are doing realistic.
Liberty.
And we also have desert. In India we have desert.
Of course.
So we can,
So landscape we can copy
our
from
landscape
any,
of,
place.
no? There is a dark red one. That and this, if you mix it, probably might get that desert color.
Yes.
Oh, but
Korean them from Dubai. Very nice.
So it's a good teamwork from like देखने वाले, help करने वाले, बनाने वाला, and then material लाने वाले, फिर order लाने वाले, vases लाने वाले. Team effort.
team effort. Yeah, yeah. Acha. Kadi patta has dark.
Very much like very artistic. Yeah.
ये काटूं और वो काटूं?
पीछे वाला
Of all, I think. ये सबसे पहले जैसे बन गया इसको भी बना रहे हैं
Are we done or
Maji's farm, she has to get the water plants. She knows I have a neighbor who has a pine tree, so I've taken permission. Can I snip pine off his tree? And some water plants which she had given me are now growing in my pond. So we had a friendly exchange, and many more things that she has gathered. So it's not just you snip a few leaves and you come in and just plant them. It's a massive effort. So one of these demonstrations has taken days to put together, and I think we really appreciate that. And as a token
thank
from the
you.
Gurgaon chapter of the Ekabana Association, that's a plant I think you were wanting.
So I knew that you wanted this.
so a big hug from Anita to
Big
everyone.
hug on everybody's
Thanks a
behalf.
lot for that. Thank you.
Anita, you can keep it.
Desi chrysanthemum.
Daisy because it's small, na? So it has a look of the daisy. So the smaller ones are called daisy. I have used white. ये भी है, देखो ये सारे chrysanthemum है. Typical of O'Hara. Only O'Hara school has this style. And here I am depicting the new life is coming. Some trees will be maroon and some are light green. So after the winter, the new life is coming up. And I have shown little water body also here with the water lily coming up. After winters, you get all these changes. You will get to see all these changes. And a fallen tree is also there in the river. These are all those mushrooms. After the monsoon, you get it in my colony. So my splendor is this. I just wanted to showcase this, and I have put limited flowers.
Nita, this looks like very nice and special.
Yeah, mushroom is giving you. It's also natural, no? And in O'Hara we keep only natural.
For more videos on exhibitions and demos by Ekebana masters from India and Japan, please watch a playlist on Ekebana. Like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel.